Well, federal health officials are urging everyone to stop vaping after it was linked to as many as 5 deaths and around 450 breathing illnesses across 33 states. And that's up just 215 cases a week ago. Officials say the illnesses have not been tied to any particular device or product, though many, but not all of the illnesses came from patients who used vapes to take in THC.
Yeah, and you know what? Simone Del Rosario is here. And Simone, what's concerning about this, we were talking about it all throughout the night, is just we just have so many questions and we don't know what's causing all of this.
And we don't have the answers. 5 deaths, hundreds of cases reported. Because of that, the CDC is calling it an outbreak. So far, Washington state has not had a case, but whatever is causing this, it's spreading quickly. 33 states have seen patients with this vaping lung disease just in the past couple of months. Now, it's very serious. The deaths, doctors say, are from lung injuries. They think there is some sort of chemical compound that's causing this. Now, most of the patients getting this lung disease are young and healthy before they end up hospitalized over this.
Chest pain, shortness of breath, cough, some nausea or vomiting, fever, and then people can become really sick and their health can really quickly decline over a period of a few days to a few weeks.
Dr. Lofi says patients have ended up in the ICU, and again, in the worst cases, they are dying. Now, the most important thing is if you vape and you are experiencing any of those symptoms she mentioned, call your doctor right away.
And the CDC is asking people just, stop using any type of e-cigarette. So have they narrowed this down at all?
Well, it's still mostly a mystery, but because of such a sudden onset, they do think it's some sort of new phenomenon. Right now, there's not one commonality that's tying every case together. You mentioned a high proportion of cases involving people vaping with THC, but some only used nicotine products. Now, again, there's not one specific device or substance tying it together, which is why the CDC is asking everyone to stop vaping altogether. If you're not going to do that, Washington State Department of Health says there are still some extra precautions you can take.
It's really important that people who vape or use electronic cigarettes not buy these products off the street. It's also really important that people who use, vaping products not alter the products in any way and not add any additional substances.
Again, though, the official advice from experts: don't use e-cigarettes while they're sorting this out. And while Washington braces for its first case, the health department is talking with doctors here, and they're making sure they know what to look for with this sudden onset vaping lung disease. Bottom line, if you partake in vaping e-cigarettes, anything like that, experts really want you to pay attention to this investigation as it unfolds. And hopefully within a couple of weeks, we'll have some answers as to what's causing it.
Yeah.